Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we are in the garden and I am getting ready to plant some garlic. So when you plant garlic in your green stalks, or anything in your green stalk, you want to refresh your soil. So I'm adding another layer of soil, and this is just soil that I created for my green stalk. It's regular potting soil with vermiculite, perlite, and cocoa mixed in, and this helps to make my soil much fluffier. And so I'm adding a layer of that to my soil. I'm also trying to break up any of the cocoa that did not break down, and just trying to make sure that it's broken down enough when I'm putting it in here, because I just don't want big chunks of the cocoa in there. I decided to get rid of the shovel, and I'm using my little hand tool here to try to break it down some more and mix it in really well. And then I'm going to just add a layer of it on top of each layer of the green stalk. You want to fill your green stalk to the line at the top. I usually try to fill mine to the tippy top, because when you water it in, the soil will automatically go down into the green stalk. It will settle a little bit more. Here I'm adding some garden tone into each layer of my green stalk, because you do want to add some fertilizer before. Me personally, I like to add a layer of fertilizer before I plant out anything. Now I'm adding some 10-10-10 Haas fertilizer. This is a slow release fertilizer because garlic needs a balanced fertilizer, and this one spoon or this one little bit was enough for all of them. Here I wanted to show you all that you need to make sure that all of your discs are clean when you are setting up your when you're resetting up your green stalks. You don't want your disc to be full of debris and other things, because it will not drain properly. And so I made sure that I went in the house and I cleaned them with some Dawn dish detergent, and I thoroughly cleaned them so that they will be ready for the green stalk. Now I'm just stacking it back up, and you want to make sure that they are stacked properly and that they actually snap in place, so you don't have any issues once you build your green stalk. And when everything else is starting to grow out, you don't want to have any issues of the green stalk coming apart because it wasn't snapped into place properly. Now I'm just showing you that here is some Georgian, this is Georgia Fire garlic. This is an elephant garlic, and I'm going to plant this on the first layer. I will have one more, and I'm going to put that on the second layer. I was getting ready to plant it, and I realized that I had a runner on my strawberries, and so I decided to just take that runner and plant it in, and then I went on ahead and planted in that last one. Here is the Russian elephant garlic, and I'm planting that on the second tier. And then on the third tier, I'm going to be planting my Spanish garlic. Okay, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching and planting out some garlic with me. Off camera, I'm going to go ahead and deep plant them, and then I will plant the rest of my Spanish garlic throughout my garden. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see y'all in the next video. Have an amazing evening.